how to fix sorry you have been blocked error on any website. So if you want to fix sorry you have been blocked error on any website, then what you need to do is watch this video. First, you need to make sure that you are not connected to any of the VPN connection services. This is because some of the websites have a VPN detector. And if you are using a VPN while you're using the website, then that's the main reason you have been blocked. Now, once you have assured if there is no VPN connected, then first you need to just launch your Chrome browser. Once you're on your Chrome browser, you just need to simply go with the three dots, which will be on the top right. And from the three dots, you need to go with settings. Once you're on your settings, you need to scroll down and go with privacy and security section. Under privacy and security, you need to go with delete browsing data. Once you're on your delete browsing data, you just need to simply go and delete your browsing history, your cookies and site data, your cached images and files. Tap on delete data, which is on the bottom right. Go with delete. Now, after deleting, make sure that you've not turned on any VPN. Just go back to the website and your problem will be fixed. You'll be able to use that website. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.